How to do tapestry crochet. Tapestry crochet allows us to use multiple colours across a row. The unused yarn strands will be hidden within the stitches. Most patterns will include a chart that shows which stitches to work in which colour. We'll work single crochet stitches, US terminology, in this video. Follow your pattern and chart until you reach the last stitch in your first colour. As with all colour changes in crochet, we want to work the last step of the stitch in the new colour to create a neat colour change. Just before finishing the single crochet, we have 2 loops on our hook. We now wrap the new colour yarn over our hook and pull this through both remaining loops. This will complete our last single crochet in the first colour used. We can now work the next stitch in the new colour. In tapestry crochet, we work the stitches around the unused yarn colour. To do this, hold the previous shade of yarn on top of the stitches from the row below. Then work your single crochet stitches around this strand. Top tip: hold the working yarn in front of your work and the unused yarn at the back to prevent twisting of the yarn. Continue to follow your pattern and chart and switching the colours as indicated. You can now work tapestry crochet.